Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to share one of the very famous Balinese dessert called Jaje Bantal. Basically, this is made from sticky rice, fresh grated coconut, some sugar, salt, and also I'm going to add some banana later. And this dessert is covered with young coconut leaf. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to steam the sticky rice. Let's turn on the steamer. So here I have a sticky rice, which is I already soaked 2 hours in the water. So I'm going to drain the water first, and then when the steamer is ready, I put the sticky rice into the steamer. So I'm going to use a cloth. The steamer is ready. We're going to steam it for 30 minutes, and while we're waiting the steamer, we're going to prepare the Jaje Bantal cover, which is made from young coconut leaf. So it's really easy to make, and first you just cut this. We take the middle part. We're going to keep this for tight the Jaje Bantal later. Fold 1, 2, and then secure with thin bamboo skewer. And then just round and secure again here. Here we are. So put it aside. And I show you another one. So the middle part, we're going to divide it to 2 for tighten the bantal later. I mean to secure the bantal later. So let's put it aside. So it's been 30 minutes. Let's turn off the steamer. So I'm going to put it in the bowl. Add the grated coconut. some sugar, salt, mix well. So this is done. Everything is mixed well, and I'm going to put it aside, and let's slice the banana. I divided one banana into 4 to 5 pieces. Now we're going to fill the pocket with the sticky rice and banana. Before that, I'm going to prepare the boiling water here. So I put some water. Let's just turn on the cooker. So let's start it. First, I'm going to add the sticky rice. Press it as much as you can. I add another more. Add the banana. And then top up again with the sticky rice. Press it. And then we're going to cover it like this. 1, 2. Then secure with the middle part of the coconut leaf. So across here, and then going down, and then across here, and tight it. I will cut a little bit. Here we go. So all is already covered and the water also already boiling. I'm going to add this into the boiling water, but first I will turn down the heat. And I will cook for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. So just gently drop. I'm going to put into medium heat, and then just make sure that the parcel always cover with the water. So better to check after 30 minutes. If you need to add more water, add more water. So need to be everything is covered with water. So I'll see you in 1.5 hours. So it's been 1 hour and 30 minutes. So it's ready. Let's just turn off. So I'm going to cool it down until completely cool, and after that we open it. As they getting cooler, they're getting harder. So now the bantal is cool enough, so let's open it. I'm going to put this aside. Look at this. Here is the banana. Here we are, Jaje Bantal. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and also I opening my cooking class in Bali. If you are in Bali and you would like to join my cooking class, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. And I hope you are all having a wonderful time. Matur Suksma. Bye bye.